Yes, good morning friends. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to see how to set time for GUI for auto logout. Okay, the transaction which we're going to use this for RZ10 and parameter which we're going to change is RD splash GUI underscore auto underscore logout, and the default value for this 0, and we need to set a new value, and the value is you can set in any number in seconds, like 60 is 1 minute and 900 is equal to 15 minutes. So why we require to change this parameter in live environment? Because whenever user logged into a system early in the morning anytime, if we do nothing, if we didn't interact to the keyboard for 1 minute or 2 minutes or 15 minutes, he has to auto log out. Okay, because otherwise he will take the keep the process, he will use the process which is unused, is wasting of time. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to use RZ10, and we need to set parameter RDIS GUI auto logout to 1 minute or 50 minutes. The most of the companies we see that logout time would be 600 minutes or 900 minutes depending upon the user, depending upon the client. We need to set this parameter. Once you set parameter, if system remains ideal for 10 minutes, it will be auto logged out. Now we'll jump on the system and see how this parameter would be changed. For this, we need to use transaction code RZ10. Okay, in RZ10 we will see different profiles over here. Okay, whenever you log on to this RZ10, just go to utilities and import profiles of active servers. What it will it will do, it will give you the new value. It will give you the latest version of your import profiles to server. Now you will see the profiles. We have a, if I click here, we'll get a two kinds of profiles: default profile and the instance profile. This value we need to change in instance profile. This value we need to change in instance profile. If you change this value to instance profile, it will take effect to the particular instant. And if you change this value in default profile, that will take effect to the entire server. Like if you have one central server and 4 application servers, it will take effect to the all of your servers. So we'll do this value change in default profile. Okay, now actually what is the version? Version is 06. Version is 06. And now you see we have administration data, basic maintenance, extended maintenance. In administration data, we are able to see only the administration data, like the path of this profile. Okay, now if you see extended maintenance, just click on extended maintenance here, go to change. Now here you have to specify the parameter which you need to change. Okay, just go to parameters and specify the parameter value. Parameter value, press enter. Say default value it shows is 0. Default value shows is 0. Now I would like to change this to 60. What is 60 stands for? If I make it 60, the system will be auto logout after 60 seconds. If system remain ideal for 60 seconds, you will be automatically logged out. This is your, now just copy this. Okay, go back, copy again. Okay, change profile was transferred. Okay, now if I keep if I remove remain ideal for 60 seconds, my system will be auto logged out because this is a dynamic profile. This is the dynamic. You can check this value RZ11 in a dynamic profile. Here, this is dynamic profile. Change the value. I'll change value to 60. Okay, I change value to 60 over here. Now if I click here, I click on switch on all servers, that's a permanent. The change is now permanent and will be lost when server is restarted. This is the uniqueness of dynamic profile. Okay, whenever restart your system, whenever change your system, when you change your profile value, it will take immediate effect, but it will lose the value when you restart your server. is called a dynamic profiles. See, this is a dynamical switchable. Now I made 60 the value. Okay. Now if I remember remain ideal for 60 seconds, my system will be auto logout. Now what I'll do, I'll remain ideal for 60 seconds and see what will be the result. So actually we have two kinds of profile, like a static profiles and dynamic profiles. If you do change in static profile, you need to take a restart. But if you do changes in dynamic parameters, then you don't need a restart. It will change dynamically. But if you change value in static parameter, you need a restart to take effect. But if you made change in dynamic profile, no need of restart. Now we are going to see this is the dynamically switchable value, and we made change here. Now after 1 minute, we can able to see the effect also immediately. That is what dynamical. But this dynamic parameters and static parameters are set by SAP itself. You are not going to set anything. If you see this value dynamical switchable, it means you can change this value on the fly. And there is a one more parameter, this same on all servers. See, now it shows auto logout, maximum user idle time exceeds, reconnect to SAP system is required. Do you want to see a report? No. It means that our value has been changed and effect has been, you can able to see the effect also. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe to our channel.